Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. So we take a look at last night's action. Looks like we had to open about right at the 2045 level, right in here, just sideways until looks like around 11 o'clock, dropped around, hit this zone from yesterday, and it's actually a zone for today as well. We double bottomed right here at about 220 and just took straight off, working through zones, DTZs, everything, just straight up. And there's really no rhyme or reason. The market just decided to do what it wanted to do. Go figure. So what do we do this morning? We've only got a little bit of news this morning. We've got the new home sales at 9 o'clock Central Time. So what we're looking for now is to see what oil's doing, and oil is seems to be moving up a little bit this morning as well. So all the YM is up, NQ is up. So let's just take a look here. Everything's moving to the upside. At some point, we're going to head down. We're looking to reach this 2060 level. We thought we might try to go for it yesterday, but there's too big a fight, not enough volume in the market to do anything. So we pulled right up into this zone, through this zone at 2056.25. We're up into this 58 area. It pulled back just a little bit here, so it still might pull back into here as they decide where we're going to go from here at 56. But either way, from right here or here, going to move up into this 60, up into the 62 red line right here, and possibly up into 65. Now, I say that because these are real strong bears. We could get just a big reversal here at the 61 to 62 area. It might even bleed up into here this morning, but more than likely right here at 62, we're going to start getting a pullback, and we could consolidate here for a while this morning to the open, and or this be the pullback and pull us all the way back into the 56. So if we do get this pullback into the 56, maybe down to 55 right here, look for the reversal to go long up into this area. Taking profits while you can, maybe leave run with a tight stop. Because we will get some kind of pullback, some kind of reversal here at the 62 level as it pulls back into the bottom of the zone, maybe even back into here, all the way back to 56. Watch the bounce to come back up, retake the same trade, but once it gets up here a second time, look for it to pull back into the 60 area and then try to go for the 63, 65 if the bulls can step in and make this a true down day. So just keep an eye on this. Should we be able to break through this 60 area, this whole 65 area, could get kind of ugly in here, or the way this market is, it might just blow everybody away and just straight up. But we should get some consolidation and pullbacks in this area between 65, 61. So be cautious to that. If you want to, you take these trades, but wait for the breakout at 65 to go long up into the next zone at 68 to 70, and look for a pullback to retest this 65. After the retest, if it holds, look for the move back up into this zone and then up into the probably 71 area, pull back into the zone again as we think about what we're going to do, and then it should go up again, up into this zone, possibly up into the 74 area before pulling back. That's probably the high for the day, unless it's just true up 10 day like we did last night, and just be cautious with that. At least take your profits off early and leave a small trailer on. Now, what about to the downside? If we pull up to this 60 area, which is a major area of contention right in here, the 62, and the market says, oh no, that's it. This is where we're going to get a reverse. Look to counter trade this trade all the way back down to this zone here. Look for some pullback. Look for a double top or some kind of support resistance right here at the 58 level. And then watch the market pull all the way back down into this 52 area. And by that time, this 24-hour VWAP and the blue line will retest this area right here where they all meet. Okay, possibly around the 52, depending how fast it wants to get there. Look for a retest up here into the 54. A little bit of sideways movement here at the 53 area, so watch that, and then watch it pull all the way back into this zone, possibly all the way back to this 47 level, where we're going to have a lot of consolidation again. Now, if we want to continue to the downside, wait for the break to come all the way below this 45 level, come back up and retest the 55 after it comes through, retest the 45, and then watch for a bottom down here at 41. If it comes all the way back to this area, great area to go long again and start this long scenario up. Great area of support for right here at the 41 at the low for the day. Other targets just in case, all the way down into the 30 level, but I don't think we're going there today. We should, if anything, the lowest we're going to go is retest this 41, get the good trade in, and hold it for the good long, whatever's left in the day. So if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.